Best NVIDIA app settings for Valorant. So first, just make sure to open up your Valorant and go to video, go to settings, go to video. Make sure that NVIDIA reflex low latency is turned on, plus boost if it's available for you. Now once that's done, now exit out of Valorant. So once you're on your desktop, you just simply need to open up the NVIDIA app. Once you're on the app, you just need to go to graphics, then go to global settings. So just use these settings for your global settings. Now once that's done, go to program settings and click on Valorant. So once you're here, you just simply need to use these settings that I have right here. So follow the current value that I have. So that's the best settings. And just make sure that display mode is set to full screen. So that should be full screen. That's the only thing that you should change. But for the other ones, just follow the current value right here. Same goes right here at the driver settings here at the bottom. Once you're done, you can now open up your Valorant and play the game. That's basically it.